Today, we're diving into SoFi Technology, SoFi, to explore the latest updates, key data points, and everything you need to stay informed. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi has been performing impressively, closing the day up by 1.73%, reaching a new 52-week high of $14.89. However, after-hours trading has seen a slight dip, potentially influenced by NVIDIA's recent earnings report. Although NVIDIA's stock initially dropped by around 4%, it has since shown signs of recovery, down only about 1.8% as of now. NVIDIA's performance often has a ripple effect on the broader market, and growth stocks like SoFi can feel the impact. While no major news was officially announced for SoFi today, there was an SEC filing submitted after hours yesterday. The filing showed a Form 4 transaction where an executive received shares and subsequently sold some for tax purposes, marked with transaction code F. This isn't out of the ordinary and doesn't indicate any major shifts in the company's strategy or performance. As always, I encourage you to do your own due diligence when interpreting such filings. Short sellers have remained relatively inactive over the past few trading sessions, even though the cost to borrow minimum rate has turned negative for the third or possibly fourth consecutive day. This indicates that brokers are still attempting to drum up short selling activity, but it doesn't seem to be gaining traction. Today, short positions increased marginally, with about 85,000 shares added to the total, bringing the short interest to 14.11% of the free float, or approximately 150.29 million shares. This level of short interest is worth keeping an eye on, especially as SoFi continues to gain momentum. Looking at institutional activity, there were several high-value transactions on the secondary market today, including both buying and selling. Notably, there was a large sell transaction worth $7.63 million. Despite this, the overall sentiment remained positive with a solid amount of buying throughout the day. Technical indicators, such as Elliott wave analysis, suggest that SoFi's price could climb to the low to high $16 range. This aligns with options market data, where many traders are positioning for a price target around $16. In the options market, about $27 million in calls and $4.82 million in puts were traded today. Interestingly, 46% of the options activity was bearish, but the bullish call option suggests strong expectations for a continued upward trend. The bears, on the other hand, are targeting a price below $13. It's unclear whether this bearish sentiment is driven by specific concerns about SoFi or if it's a broader market reaction tied to NVIDIA's earnings. Either way, the options market will be something to monitor closely. A frequently discussed topic in the SoFi community is the company's capped calls and their impact on share price. Let me break this down. The capped calls have a conversion price of $14.50. Shares above this price could be subject to dilution. Between the range of $9.45, the lower limit, and $14.54, these capped calls are designed to protect against dilution through anti-dilutive clauses. However, anything above $14.54 could lead to dilution, which might impact the common stock. This has led to some debate among investors about how significant this dilution could be. One encouraging sign is the increasing involvement of institutional investors, often referred to as big money. Over the past 2 years of covering SoFi, there have been times when institutions largely ignored the stock. However, recent activity shows a good balance of buying and selling, indicating that institutions see potential upside. Additionally, retail investors are jumping in, as reflected in momentum indicators. This growing interest could fuel further price appreciation in the near term. At its current price of $14.89, SoFi is trading above key technical levels. The next critical support level to monitor is $14.58, while the next target for a breakout sits at $15.13. Depending on NVIDIA's performance and its influence on the broader market, SoFi could even hit a new 52-week high tomorrow. Overall, the outlook for SoFi remains bullish. From strong technical indicators to increasing institutional interest, there are plenty of reasons to feel optimistic about the stock's trajectory. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.